Greetings of the day, I am Vaishnavi from 9th standard.
Greetings of the day, I am Ankit from 9th grade.
Greetings of the day, I am Rishi from 9th grade.
Greetings of the day, I am Vishwa from 9th grade.
Today we would like to explain how to solve the linear equation of two variables. An equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and x, y are variables is known as linear equation in two variables. There are four main methods for the solving system of linear equation in two variables. First one, elimination method.
I will explain in substitution method.
I will explain in crisscross method.
I will explain in darker method.
From 1 is equal to 9. That will be equation 1. 3x plus 2. Equation 2. 8 can't be 3 and 3 can't be 8. 5 can't be 2 and 2 can't be 5. So I will go with LCM. Elimination method means one variable will eliminate. I want to eliminate y, so 5 and 2 LCM. LCM is 10. So equation 1 into 2 equals to 8 2s are 16x plus 5 2s are 10y is equal to 9 2s are 18. Equation 2 into 5. 3 into 5, 15x plus 5 2s are 10y is equal to 4 5s are 20. We have to change signs. Minus 16 minus 15, 1x. 10y, 10y. 18 minus 20 equals to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. We have to substitute x value in equation 2. Minus 6 goes to that side, it will become positive. 4 plus 6. 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 by 2, 5. So the values are x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Thank you.
Now I will go substitution method for this equation. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Let it be equation 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Let it be equation 2. 8 will transfer, it will become minus 8. 5 is multiplied with y, so 5y is equal to 9 minus 8x. Y is equal to 9 minus 8x by 5. From equation 1, y is equal to 9 minus 8x by 5. 9. I will substitute y value in equation 2. 3 y plus x will 9 minus 8x by 5. 3x plus 2 9 minus 8x by 5. 3 5s are 15 x plus 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16 by 5 is equal to 4. 15 x plus 18 x is equal to 15x minus 16x is equal to minus x plus 18 4 5s are 20. 20 18x is transfers minus 18 x is equal to minus 2. I will substitute x value in y 9 minus 8 into minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Here minus 8 into minus 2 is equal to 16. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. 25 by equal to 25 by 5 is equal to 5. X is equal to here x is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 5.
Now I will go with crisscross method. This means it goes to this minus 1 and it equals to 0. Here plus plus for come this side to becomes minus. It goes to 0. Here you know the formula. Here you know the formula. V1 into C1 C2 A1 A2 into B1 B2. Here B1 is equals to 5, B2 is equals to 2 and C1 is equals to minus 9, C2 is equal to minus 4, A1 is equals to 8, A2 is equals to 3, B1 is equals to 5, B2 is equals to 2. B1, B2 minus C1, 1, C1, A2 minus C2 A1 is equals to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1 B2 2 C2 minus 4 B2 minus 9 equals to 1 by C1 8 into C1 A2 5 1 by minus 9 to 3 minus 4 into 8 is equals to 1 by 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5 by 5 into minus 4 is minus 20 minus 2 minus 9 is 18 is equals to y by minus 27 minus 9 into 3 is equal to minus 27 32 minus 2 minus less 32 is equals to 1 by 8 to the 16 minus 5 is 15 x by minus 20 plus 8 is equals to minus 2 is equals to y by 5 is equals to 1 by 1 x is equals to minus 1 by 1 is equals to minus 2 y is equals to y by 1 is equals to 1 by 1 equals to 1 by 7 5 y equals to here x is equals to minus 2 y is equals to 5 time.
In my elimination method, y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 5.
In my substitution method, x is equals to minus 2, y is equals to 5.
In my crisscross method, x is equals to minus 2, y is equals to 5.
So we can say that it is solving in. Thank you.